Alright, so basically we have an SMT with previous day low that was invalidated at this point, I believe, because we took previous day high now. Now we have the SMT with the previous day high in London, but then we took this low, so now I'm thinking that SMT is invalidated. So now we're looking more internally. What are we doing? We are respecting this hourly bearish fair value gap. Today might literally be just a no trade day. We might have to wait for PM if I even want to look for PM. Because PM is when FOMC comes out. So we got a 1 hour bearish fair value gap here. So what I'd say is, like, you know, whatever we close, wherever, come back into this 15-minute, get a little, like, kind of chop for a second, come up to the 15-minute, get a little 1-minute entry and target down here. So I mean, we can even have this as sell side, because how far is this away? 10 points. I mean, sure, we could do this as sell side, like a break-even point, even though it's not necessarily like anything to be rejecting. But I mean, I'll throw this as, dude, holy, shut the fuck up. I'll do it as sell side because, you know, we may not want to take this low. If we take this low, you know, because could be some bullshit with consequent. So yeah. Also, we could be holding this 15-minute here and running higher. So that's honestly another thing to pay attention to, and we would just look for 5-minute continuations to data highs or London highs. I don't expect much of a move this AM. I expect us to kind of stay more range bound. I really expect that move to be 4 p.m. And what I'm hearing is there is a 20% chance, or no, 90% chance. Oh, it's even getting fucking closer. 97% chance of a 25 bip decrease, rate cut, whatever, for FOMC, which is what I hear to be bullish for the market. I'm taking fucking someone else's word for it. I really don't know what the fuck that shit means. Well, obviously I know what bullish for the market means, but I really don't know what fucking bips and the decrease and increase shit means, if I'm being fucking honest with you. Oh, this is so tough. What is this? Oh my god. Was I using this shit? Oh, I fucking... Oh. Alright, fuck. So I got my fucking iPhone 6S. For fucking see, like, I don't know, fucking around with it. We'll also have, I guess we can drop this hourly bearish fair value gap here as well. So I mean, it's kind of showing to be bearish as of now. This looks like a sponsored data high. Alright. And if we run these lows, I'll pay attention for 5 and 15-minute gaps to go lower. I'm not necessarily seeing any sort of imbalances or anything, because that's really what I'm going off of, that we would be rejecting in this leg. Yeah. To go higher, I mean, dude, a 5 minute, yeah, no, there's nothing there. Yeah, nothing there from yesterday, fucking tell you that. That's for sure. So it's literally just condition based. So let's see what we can do. 40 seconds still open. Shut the fuck up. Alright, so we hit the 15-minute. I kinda wanna see this 5-minute. So I'm bearish to this low as of now. There is an SMT. We are holding this 5-minute gap, so I guess, you know, if we just wick the lows. So we did create relative equal lows as well, which is cool. It was cool. Oh, my mouth. But basically, I'd like to see all these lows taken with an SMT, with this 5-minute gap holding, for me to want to long anything in this leg, if that's what we'd want to do here. So, yeah. We need to take this low if we want to be bullish or see a bull move. Alright, so we need to like come up now. I think this would be the gap. So we soup this low. we gotta fucking pull up. I really don't want this 2-minute. I mean, I do for a better entry, I guess. So we got this 2-minute. That's the only opportunity we have as of now. Paying attention to the 5-minute. Let's pay attention to this 15-minute. Did we hold or inverse? We did inverse. So we will pay attention to both 5 minutes. Yeah, they seem very bearish as of now. So all the 5 minutes have been inverse. We are not looking to be bullish in this instance. So we will take this off. I hate how delayed it is. Yeah, so we are no longer looking for longs. At this point, I'm looking for previous day low on NQ. Yes, obviously I already took it. And there doesn't seem to be any form of imbalance over here. Just kind of no man's land, just of a sell-off. So who knows how big this move this morning can be. I'm just gonna pay attention to my what's it called? What are they called? Conditions of like 5 and 15-minute gaps. As of now, obviously bearish as fuck. Fuck, man. So previous day low, sell side. So honestly, we could look for this 4-hour low. I don't know if that's too much to ask for. Our range would be fucking pretty large, but I mean today should be a pretty large day to begin with. So sitting on the 5-minute chart, we know exactly what needs to be hit and what doesn't. I did, if we were able to hold a gap, I did like those longs. Like, bro, look how clean this looks. I mean, if we had a form of fucking SMT. Wait, hold on. I mean, we do have an SMT still. I guess we did kind of look to rebalance. I mean, you could look for a potential to like London and shit. But as of now, nothing to go off of. This looks like a great 1 minute to long though. Reason being, like why I said even look for long. Really like this. Or even like the 5 minute time frame one. Just like the respect. And you just fucking flip bullish. Yeah, everything's been inverse to the downside. There's really nothing to go off of, man. We haven't gotten a retrace. I'm not looking to long. I'd like to see this. Okay. But yeah, so basically now, boom, or an SMT, whatever. So yeah, that means ES taking it and then just looking for, just like that. So look for shorts, or we displace through here and look for London. Fuck. And vice versa, same shit. With ES, whether we throw in an SMT with these highs or not. Just looking for what the fuck we're respecting and not respecting. That honestly could have just been the move for this morning. And we're gonna chop. Who knows? So, I'll sit and wait. Yeah. I don't have any news that comes out. Wait, I'm still logged into this shit, right? Yeah. I think we're gonna fucking rotate to the fucking highs. Yeah, looking at that, I don't know why, that just made me so fucking bullish. That made me so bullish. Just seeing those, like, I'm not entering, I'm just like getting on my fucking app in general. Alright, equal highs. What time frame are we on? Alright, so if we are displacing through this, by the time I inverse this gap, if we take these highs though on NQ, then I can't take it. If we are displacing through, like I'll take one micro to London if we inverse this gap. Well, set, like, pushing through this. Alright, nope. We're not doing that. But we are paying attention. So we kind of filled that. Haven't filled it here, but we do have this S&T here. This looks like just like a bullish ass. Move. To me, I kind of want to see us come up again for this high. And hopefully there'll be like some form of 5 or 15 minute made, 5 minute, I'm sorry, made, to kind of show. We can also pay attention for hourly time frame, this hourly gap right here again, like I was talking about before. Internal S&T as well. No, not that. Bro, just delete. Fuck off! I kind of like, really like longs here. I really like them. Because if we're... ES doesn't look to be slowing down at any point. If we're getting a pullback, it'll be now. So I will look to long this. If we do hit these though, beforehand, I can't take it, unfortunately. And it looks like we're gonna do so. Yeah, we did that. Unfortunate. So, we are not taking longs right now. We may or may not be taking longs in the future, but we are definitely not taking them right now. This looks like a clean ass V shape. We still have this S&T down here. I don't know why. Like, it's kind of... Just fucking throw this up. We may get this 5-minute retrace. Yeah, if I fucking entered, I would have been broke fucking even. Probably. So, paying attention to fucking 5 minute time frame. So I need to pull back before anything. And I personally just want to be bullish in this. Like ES is, ES is basically doing like yesterday, it's just pushing through this shit. I do want to see this 5 minute condition get made. And if we are able to, I don't really like the fact that these equal highs on the 5 minute are here on ES, especially like that just looks fucking sus. This 2 minute right here. If we hold this, I'm not gonna just pattern trade a fucking short. Yeah, we didn't even fucking inverse anyways. We do have a change of state, so it's like a 3 minute. It's like a fucking 3 minute OP. We don't really have any bullish shit other than down here. Ugh, the fucking good inversion just looks like to be right here. Like that's some shit Blake would take. But the fact that it was not necessarily like rejecting shit, it's not something that I liked. Man, this really sucks. It sucks. So I'm looking for change of states and fucking inversion, or for value gaps, like order blocks really is what I'm looking for us to retrace into. Hopefully we can leave these equal highs here to make it even more clean for ES to come down in this 5 minute, and then I really don't give a fuck about the 5 minute. If we can, like, bro, if we could throw in like a SMT with this low, maybe, I don't know, bro, at this point. Then I'd be like, probably chilling with some form of long. Alright, NQ, I kind of want to see soup this shit. And that low should be protected, and I'll expect data highs and shit. We just need our retracement. I'm very bullish right now. We'll pay attention to this 5 minute. If they do want to displace through the 5 minute, and we do inverse this 2 minute, I'll look to short. Holy voice crack. But I'll also look to long. I want to see this low. If I'm being honest with you. Oh, but that looks very clean. Oh, that was cool. 5 minute again. We'll still look back here. I kind of want to pay attention to that as of now. If we do inverse this 5 minute, like, then I will take this. I'll look for like a retracement. I do want to see this low really badly though. Yeah, I'm not gonna just like not copy trade, what's the word? Pattern trade the fucking inversion setup until I really have conviction. Or hoping to see us soup this low. Alright, so we did not inverse this 5 minute. Okay, if we're able to run this, like run higher at this point, I don't want to see any lower. I like this 3 minute. Alright, add alert. Yeah, so I kind of got what I wanted to see so far. I'd like to see this now. I want us to pull up right fucking now. Come on, I want this 10 a.m. inversion. Why does ES look so good? If ES is displacing through this high, while I take this like inversion, or like while it's looking the inverse, we will still take it. Just kind of measuring where a 1-to-1 would be. So I kind of want us to pull really higher right now. don't want to see a 4 or 5 minute be made. We kind of need to pull up right now. Like, right now. We do not need this 5 minute to be made, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. We kind of, like, need you to pull the fuck up. Alright. Alright, I'm not really paying attention to this high anymore. That much. Oh, fuck, I accidentally entered. It didn't inverse. I don't think. Did it? Fuck, no, it didn't. To wait. Fuck, bro. I didn't mean to enter. Fuck. Wait, is it inverse? No. Fuck, bro. I'm like kind of in this because I haven't gotten a chance to fucking close it at like break even. Fuck, dude. The last second it fucking pulled. I hope we can just push higher, man. Everything but that fucking inversion. Fuck. It was perfect. That shit fucked me, bro. We gotta pull up, bro. That's so fucking unfortunate. Oh my god, bro. I'm like in this. Alright, I'm in. I think I just let it ride. If I'm being honest, I don't know. It's not like I was in profit for a second. Fuck, man. Fuck, man. I did not mean to enter that shit. Fuck. Honestly, bro. 72.5. Bro, hopefully we can just fucking pump. I mean, I'm in it. Oh, fuck, bro. I mean, regardless. Hopefully this last minute candle can be fucking bullish as shit. Cause fuck, man. I want it to inverse. Alright, looks like we inversed here. Alright, we did. Alright, so. Alright, stop loss is getting moved to break even. Right? Or does it even matter? Oh yeah, it does. There's a 5-minute internal high. Or a 5-minute right here. So I do want to be careful there. We may get break even. I'm paying attention for this buy side here. If we do hit that, then I'm just moving my full take profit to a 1-to-1. Hopefully we can just rip and distribute higher. That's what I'm really hoping for. That would be beautiful. But we are break even right now, risk free. Oh man, that was something. Yeah, we might get broke even here. But I do have this set up in case for a potential 1-to-1 kind of thing. If this, like I said, if they do hit the full take profit point with the SMT there, then I'll just take profit at 1-to-1. I'm still waiting for that high to get taken. Hopefully we can, you know, this next candle can send us there. I think this next candle is going to determine whether we hit our TP or not. That's what I personally think. But we are risk-free. So that's one thing I'm happy about. We got a good entry, like a better price, on accident. That was fucking stressful, bro. Honestly, like, I don't care how long it takes to fucking hit take profit, just do it. Honestly. Or we can do the opposite. Alright, so we're hitting an order block and a fucking, I'm assuming like a BPR. I don't know. Hopefully we can just push higher. We'll see if we get broke even or not. Come on, bull run, bull run, bull run. Please just bull run. Oh my god, please just bull run here. Please just bull run here. It edged my break even. Please just bull run. Please, please, please. Yeah, we're getting broke even. Fuck. Fuck. And there's the dag. Oh, maybe not. I just want a fucking bull run, bro. Bull run. Bull run, please, 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 please. This thing is like, this could technically be a short. I just don't want to get broke even. I still think we're going to go higher, but please just that be the pullback. Oh, fuck, man. And that's not the pullback. Is it? Doesn't seem to be the pullback, bro. Broke even. Alright, well. Very unfortunate. I'm just going to be off for the day, to be honest. I don't really want much more. It's just slow at this point. Slow as fuck. So, like, very, very, very fucking slow. Bro. I'll go into my entry and why I took what I took. So basically, coming into the morning, this is fucking brutal. But basically, coming into the day, I was bearish to this low, and then from here, I was condition based. So what I wanted to see was a pull up back into this 15-minute gap. Fuck. Which we did get, was right here. We just didn't have an entry to get down to these lows. So once we took these lows, I was like, alright, 5 or 15-minute gaps in either direction is what's going to tell me where I want price to go. We got this clean like V shape right after taking these lows. I believe there's an S&T at the lows still, but it doesn't, to me, seem valid at all. So there's like really no reason for me to really care. Because like we already took, I think the S&T was previous day low, and then we took previous day high after that S&T was put in or something like that. I don't know what it was. So that was no longer valid in my opinion because we took the high. I don't know. And then vice versa, there was the S&T at the highs, but we already, you know, then came down and took the low. I don't know. So the SMT to the downside no longer, in my eyes, is valid. So, like I said, 5 and 15-minute conditions. What did we have here on the S&P? We had a 5-minute imbalance. This is brutal. S&P we had a 5-minute imbalance. We came down into it. We also swept its internal low. And we were respecting that 5-minute gap. So I was looking to take longs out of that. Basically on Q, I wanted to see this low get taken. I preferred to have it like literally just wicked and souped, but regardless, we took the low, we threw in an SMT there, and then our highest time frame inversion was this 3-minute. I accidentally entered here, well, not at that price point, but on this candle, because it was literally inversed. We can go back to the fucking recording. It was inversed last second after I pressed buy. Boom, pulls back. It's not inverse. I'm like, fuck. And I really didn't get the chance to fucking, close it, because I would have been down 60 times 4. I'm like, alright, well, honestly, I accept the risk already at this point. So, whatever from there. So I kind of let it just play out. My break-even point was these 5-minute equal highs with this 5-minute imbalance right here on ES. So I was like, right when that's fucking taken, we're moving stop loss to break even. It was taken right here on this candle, and we weren't able to continue to the highs because of that SMT. So we broke even, but like I said, we did end up eventually inversing this 3-minute, which made me happy and confident. But yeah, since we wicked this, I had moved stop loss to break even, and yeah, so I got broke even there. TP1 was this 15-minute inter high, and TP2 was these data highs. Let's see. I kind of want to see how much I would have made on this. 48.75. I was in for 2 micros. And I feel like this will still probably play out, just like it's lower probability at this point. 96.5. I think this would have been a massive day. Or a pretty large day. It wouldn't have been too massive a day. I would have made 1.162. Like, this would have been the total. Nothing too retarded. It's pretty good though. This shit. Hold on, I gotta cut this out. Dude, I never want. Like, stop pocket watching my shit. This is my fucking. Like, why don't they fucking save this shit? Whatever. This is my total P&L from being broke even. I don't know why the spreads were so shit or whatever the fuck it is. Like, literally, like, that's already, like, kind of retarded. It should probably, I mean, it would make sense for it to be more like that than fucking $8 on each, whatever. So I lost that much today off of break evening. So, whatever. It's a setup. Regardless of the, the bullshit little fucking accidental entry, I'd say it was A+, in my opinion. But as you can see, volume has died down drastically, and this reminds me of yesterday. What was this? Previous day low? Yep. Yesterday's long. Boom. Chop, chop, chop. So it'll probably still deliver, just not with any volume. It's gonna just chop, chop, chop the whole fucking day. And I don't even know if I want to look at PM today. If there's clear like imbalances, like if there's like an hourly imbalance, then I'll look at it. But to me, it just looks like fucking shit, and I don't even want to deal with it. I don't want to try to navigate the fucking FOMC volume or anything. So I'll take my break even. I'll take it. Um, because I'm happy with a fucking break even. Oh man, this is more promising of a dub. Actually, never mind. They whipped the fuck out of that shit. But I think it's still gonna play out, unfortunately. I don't really know if there's anything else to talk about. So I forgot. I don't know. I didn't really have to go into like more of like what I saw earlier that much because I kind of already did that at the beginning. But for the setup, I told you exactly what I saw and why I took it and why I did what I like, what I did when I did. So whatever. I'm gonna get off now. And I'm gonna have to fucking cut some shit out, which kind of pisses me off. Like, why the fuck did my dad have to come in and ask if I need batteries? If I need fucking batteries, I'll get batteries. But whatever. So, see ya.